Smart Level is a precision construction altimeter that does basically everything a laser does. It just does it with a digital readout. It takes the math out of it, and it makes it much more easy and simple to understand what you got. With a laser, you may have the laser beam that hits the story pole at 29 7/16 of an inch, and you've got to add and subtract the rest of the day. With Smart Level, you just set this on your frame, zero it, and then anywhere you set the level in relation to where you started, it'll tell you how high or how low you are. You've got a reel that you set in a central location. You got 100 foot of tubing that gives you a 200-foot working area. So basically what we do is we just walk over to the starting point. We've got two buttons, power button that turns it on and changes it from inches to fractions and what have you. And then we've got a zero button. We're going to get over here and we'll zero it. Then we're going to put it into range mode. Once we put it into range mode, we've got a green light if we're within range. Then as we walk down the forms, as quickly as you set it on the form, you're going to get a valid reading. Just a little bit higher there. I may set it on a little concrete. Set it here and see. Yeah. Yeah, basically we're within range there. Very close. And we're pretty close there. So they've done a pretty good job on this. So basically, as fast as you walk a job, you can tell what you got. With a laser, we would be finished with this entire job checking it before you get a laser set up and even get started. And there's several ways that we can document this also. So the level works around obstructions. You can go around the house if you want to, anywhere you can snake this tubing over, around, or behind anything. We've got a monopod. If you don't want to bend over and you zero it on the monopod, the tip of your monopod becomes your reference point. So Smart Level is basically a simple man's laser. Very easy to use and very quick and efficient. Ideally, what are we looking for over there for the...
We're looking for a 104.5 down there.
Yeah, we're at 105.
That's pretty darn close.
Very nice.
Yeah.
I think that was 98.
Yeah, 98. We're at 96. So 2 inches low, which is
Good
good.
enough. 4 to 6 inch base. It'd probably be like 69.
Yeah. We're at 67 and 7/8.
Yeah.
And then up this top shelf will be about minus 52. We were looking for minus 50, but the shelf came out nice.
Yeah. So it should be 1.5 inches.
Yeah.
And the whole thing's on a slight slope.
Yeah.
Okay.
We drop it.
Drew, when he lifts this bucket, can you pull the Smart Level cord to you?
Wire.
Yeah.
Great.
I can read exactly what he's reading on the top of that screen up there.
Yep.